outboards. Pry the drum loose and pull it back until it's resting on the ends of the studs. Next, roll the back buddy in so its hooks go through the stud holes.
Seating the beads while the tire is on the tractor. The CH60 Big Cheetah can be used in the shop when seating the beads on the tires in the customary horizontal position.
We're going to charge the tank to 110 pounds on this tire. We should be able to get it with no problem. And we're ready for discharge. And the air filling in, either lower the pressure. I've set the regulator right here at 73 pounds.
On your unwanted used tires. The TC60 bead notcher cuts a 1.5 inch notch through the beads of your unwanted tires. The TC125 tire cutter easily handles your big tire problems. The TC125 will cut any tire with a rim diameter of 23, specifically designed to aid in difficult large tire disposal.